Hello, dear viewers, and welcome back to Grip News 2M. I'm Daniel, your host for today's video. If you're looking to gain financial independence, grow your wealth, and secure a prosperous future, you've come to the right place. In today's feature, we'll be delving into the art of investing and exploring various strategies to make your money work for you. Segment 1: Understanding the basics of investing. Before you dive headfirst into the world of investing, it's crucial to understand the basics. We'll cover various investment options, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, mutual funds, and more. We'll also discuss the concept of risk and return, helping you strike the right balance for your investment portfolio. Segment 2: Creating your investment plan. Having a well-thought-out investment plan is the foundation of successful wealth building. We'll guide you through the process of setting clear financial goals, understanding your risk tolerance, and creating a diversified investment strategy tailored to your unique needs. Segment 3: Tips for smart investing. Time to explore some tips and tricks to make the most of your investments. We'll talk about the significance of staying informed about the market, the power of compounding, and the advantages of long-term investing. Our expert guests will also weigh in with their valuable insights. Segment 4: Avoiding common investment pitfalls. Investing comes with its fair share of risks, and even the best laid plans can go awry. In this segment, we'll shed light on common investment pitfalls to avoid, like chasing get-rich-quick schemes, panic selling, and over-leveraging. Remember, staying level-headed is the key to successful investing. Segment 5: Harnessing the power of technology. Technology has revolutionized the investment landscape, making it more accessible than ever before. We'll explore the world of robo-advisors, investment apps, and online trading platforms. Learn how to leverage technology to streamline your investment process and make informed decisions. Conclusion. Well, that wraps up our guide on how to invest and earn money. Remember, investing is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but rather a journey that requires patience, discipline, and a continuous thirst for knowledge. We hope you've gained valuable insights to embark on your financial growth journey confidently. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Feel free to share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. As always, stay informed, stay empowered, and stay tuned to Grip News 2M for all your financial news needs. Until next time, happy investing.